Hey y'all, it's Mary, and it's day 3 of the Advent calendars, and I'm going to do the chocolate first just to get it out of the way because it's sort of cumbersome. And day 3, this is a really pretty calendar. It's the Moser Roth brand. I got this from Aldi's, and number 3 is right here. So, let's see. It's another beautiful, of course everything in here is beautiful. This is it, a star. This is creme brulee truffle. And I'm just gonna put it aside and away from the cats. Uh-oh. Blue! I thought it might be less of a struggle. Okay, Blue, settle down. He's probably, let's just go right, well, are you gonna stay? He's gonna jump down, so we won't worry about the cat calendar yet. Y'all, this is, I hope this is okay for y'all. I have the beautiful 25-day Macy's calendar. I'm excited about this one, y'all. This one's for me. And let's see what we have. Number 3 is over here on the end here. And they have these nice tabs to push in. Push in and then pull the door out. And we have, now the items themselves are in here pretty tight. So this is what happened. Okay, here we go. Ooh, Philosophy Purity. I love Philosophy brand. Purity, these are usually you can use for many things. Let's see what it says. This says one-step facial cleanser. I thought that the Purity brand, the Philosophy brand was all, whatever liquid they have is for shower, for face, for hair, all kinds of stuff. But this one does say one-step facial cleanser with meadow foam seed oil. And it's in the scent Purity. It has a nice, oh, look at that nice lid, so that you just get out what you need. But I'm going to try to smell it. Oh, it's sealed. Anyway, the Purity, I'm excited to try that. This is great for traveling. I love all these deluxe samples for traveling. All right, Smudge is here now, and he's ready to open up his calendar. So Smudge, you going to let us open? Here he is. Okay. All right, we need day 3. Come on, Smudge. Let's see what day 3 is. Here it is. It's right here. Okay, let's see, Smudge, we can get it open. Okay. Some of them are a little harder to open than, oh, look what's in here, Smudge. A nice green ball. Look at that. They usually do like balls. So you like that, Smudge? I thought Blue was gonna stay and see. You like that? Anyway, y'all, thanks so much for stopping by to see the Advent calendars. And I'm sorry, it's a bit disheveled, but we're having fun over here. I hope y'all are too, and I hope you're enjoying the holiday season. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Okay, you wanna play? Yeah, you like that? Throw that on the floor and you can play with it. You and Blue can bat that around. Okay.